Welcome back. Small business optimism ending the summer on a sluggish note, rising only 0.5% last month. Despite the less than impressive climb, two key components of the survey are still posting strong gains. That is job openings and earnings trends. Joining me right now in a Fox Business exclusive is Bill Dunkelberg. He is NFIB chief economist. And Bill, it is always nice to have you on the program. Welcome.
Maria, always a pleasure. Nice to see you.
Let's talk about the positives first. I mean, one positive was jobs, and then another positive was corporate earnings, which I want to push back on because corporate earnings in the second quarter, frankly, have been not great. No growth, certainly. They may be better than expectations, but you're talking about really a flat performance year over year. Where are the bright spots right now for small business?
Well, the earnings did improve. We saw a several percentage point increase in the net percent of owners saying earnings are heading up, but still at numbers like minus 20%, meaning 20 percentage points more said down than up. So earnings trends are better, but they're still negative. So that's not particularly good. Earnings haven't been real strong. A lot of pressure from compensation, 25% are raising comp, 0%, 1% are raising prices. So it's all going to the bottom line, and it's painful.
So how would you characterize the small business environment right now? What are the highlights we need to know?
Well, as you pointed out, the job numbers look pretty good. I think we could probably conclude that the BLS and the 50 state agencies were on vacation in August. You don't get 245 in June and July and then get 175 in August. Our numbers were really quite good, said we should have been a little bit better than July. So we were looking for 250, and I think you'll see a big revision, and so we'll kind of be steady as you go. But nonetheless, in the bigger picture, you know, the small business sector still isn't producing a lot of jobs. In the 83 expansion, we had 650,000 jobs a quarter, and this recovery, we're averaging about 350,000 a quarter. So we're way off the mark on job creation still.
What's holding them back?
Well, nothing good is happening for them. So you look at their top issues: energy costs, health care costs, regulatory costs,
right.
Tax code. There's been no progress on any of these, and they don't expect any progress. So 10% think the economy will be better 6 months from now than it is today, but 24% think it'll be worse. That's a very sour outlook.
It sure is. Bill, good to have you on the program today. Thanks so much. Bill Dunkelberg is the chief economist at NFIB. Coming up.